So now I'm ended up on a 4th of July evening sound check ride. I'm not certain if the GoPro can pick that up, or if it is. We got fireworks in the neighborhood. But that's not what we're out here for. We are trying to figure out this issue with audio. Now, I don't care about wind noise if I get that, but I'm more concerned about the crackling, the distortion, that is when I'm at speed. When I'm standing still, no matter what setup I have, the audio sounds pretty decent. It's when I start moving, I start having problems. So let's do a rundown of what I've switched out and what I have yet to switch out, and what I believe is going to be the issue. So first, I believe is going to be the media adapter. I only have one. I've never switched that out. I switched out 2 different cameras, switched out 2 different mics, 2 different helmets. Same outcome. When I'm standing still, audio was pretty decent. No distortion. Nice and clear. I start my MotoVlog when I jump on a motorcycle and start moving at speed, and the audio goes down the tubes. So I'm just going to do a quick ride through the neighborhood here. It actually feels good. I'm tempted to stay out longer, but I got to get this sorted out. I thought I did a great video today, and I get home to download the footage. I had actually 2 issues. My older MacBook that I normally use to download the video, it downloaded the video, but then that MacBook went haywire. So hopefully when I turn that MacBook back on, I can recover that video. But before I actually downloaded the video, I was actually doing a preview on the GoPro camera itself for the audio. Oh, there's more fireworks there. Oh, what is that? What is that? Oh, that's a Mitsubishi. Yeah, what is that? 3000 GT on that Mitsubishi? Camera probably did not pick that up. The lighting in this neighborhood is basically no street lights. It's just whatever people have turned on their property. So, and even the main road out here, not many street lights that I can recall. And I'm not really going to be concerned about the video, just the audio here. Let me go back the other way. Okay, I see the sky lighting up, but I can't. Oh, that's over near the tower. Yeah, I can't actually see the fireworks. They're not going high enough. But anyway, sorting this audio quality out. this last test here, if it turns out to be the same, meaning that the audio is no good, I am going to have to order another media adapter. What are the chances of two mics going bad at the same time? I guess it's possible. Or two cameras going bad. Okay, two different. What did I have? I have older GoPro cameras, but they work. They've been working up until this point. I actually have a Hero 5 and a Hero 7. But all of my prior footage, all my prior videos. Oh, there we go. There, fireworks to the left here. To the left. I got a car coming up behind me, though. All my prior videos came out just fine. No issue with the microphone. No issue with the sound. No distortion. I didn't have to do any editing. Oh, yeah, it's over there at the field. Yeah, no post editing needed. And with this distortion, oh, of course that car turns. With this distortion, you really can't, at least I haven't figured out how to get rid of the distortion so that I can actually use the footage that I captured on these rides early on today, and the past couple times I've actually been out. That explains why I haven't really posted, because of the audio associated with these clips. But anyway, I think this is enough. You're just getting darkness here, of course. And I hope you are able to enjoy the rest of your evening. On this 4th of July, you got out to look at some fireworks as well. I think this is my turn. Yeah. Until next time. Oh, yeah, a lot of gravel. See ya.